Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Protein Power. 7 tips to increase your protein intake. A high protein intake offers several potential health benefits, and could help increase weight loss, enhance muscle growth, and improve your overall health. There are some easy ways to eat more protein. In this video, we will tell you about 7 easy ways to increase your protein intake. Number 1. Eat your protein first. When eating a meal, eat the protein source first, especially before you get to the starches. In addition, a high protein intake decreases levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and increases your metabolic rate after eating and during sleep. What's more, eating protein first can help keep your blood sugar and insulin levels from rising too high after a meal. Number 2. Have a protein shake for breakfast. Many smoothies contain a lot of fruit, vegetables, or juice, but very little protein. However, a shake or smoothie can be a great breakfast option, especially if you choose nutritious ingredients. Protein powders make it easy to create a healthy, high-protein shake. There are several types on the market, including whey, soy, egg, and pea protein. Number 3. Include a high-protein food with every meal. Several researchers recommend consuming a minimum of 20–30 grams of protein at each meal. Studies show that this amount promotes fullness and preserves muscle mass better than smaller amounts eaten throughout the day. Examples of foods high in protein include meat, fish, poultry, eggs, legumes, and soy products like tofu or tempeh. Number 4. Choose Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a versatile, high-protein food. It's made by removing whey and other liquids to produce a richer, creamier yogurt that's higher in protein. Research shows Greek yogurt increases the release of the gut hormones glucagon-like peptide 1. Number 5. Top your food with chopped almonds. Almonds are incredibly healthy. They're high in magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, yet low in digestible carb. Almond also contains 6 grams of protein in a 1-ounce serving, which makes them a better source of protein than most nuts. Number 6. Replace cereal with eggs. Many breakfast foods are low in protein, including toast, bagels, and cereals. Although oatmeal contains more protein than most cereals, it still only provides about 5 grams in a typical 1 cup, 240-gram serving. On the other hand, 3 large eggs provide 19 grams of high-quality protein, along with important nutrients like selenium and choline. Number 7. Snack on cheese. Snacks are a good way to get extra protein into your diet, as long as you choose healthy ones. Many common snack foods, such as chips, pretzels, and crackers, are very low in protein. Cheese doesn't seem to raise cholesterol levels much, even among people with high cholesterol. In fact, some research suggests that cheese may even benefit heart health. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.